Jase, Mad Mike Summer Bash 2018, loving it, good weather, good turnout, can't wait to get into the battles later. Mike's put a custom track together. It consists of running off the club circuit backwards, around onto the international track, over the double B backwards. Insane, like you've got to chuck everything in. Got to chuck everything in. The entry is everything and their first switch, so we managed to get it together and place 9th. So we made the top 16, it's the big show, so can't wait for the battles. We're going to be up against Troy Jenkins, and then if everything goes our way, we'll be up against the man himself, Mad Mike, so it'll be pretty good. Went up against Troy Jenkins. Car was on form. We were lucky enough to get an advantage with Troy. He got a little bit late on a switch and took out a cone, so that put us through into top 8 up against Mad Mike. So that was pretty much like, that's made my weekend, has just been able to just go out with the man himself. Had a little bit of understeer, got a little bit lost in Mikey Smoke, run a wide line, and that's all it wrote for us today. But had a ball, such an awesome event, wicked crowd, like good atmosphere, just can't wait. I hope we can come back next year and bring it all on again. Looking forward to the team challenge, just about to go out with the Jenkins boys, put it all on, so it's the end of the day now. It's pretty much just put on a show for the people that are left here and just, yeah, put a few smiles on some dials.